Let the weekend begin. It's a microphone. Hello everyone, I'm Kabuki, a 26-year-old woman still figuring it out. Remember when we were 15, still receiving our first kisses and about to enter high school, thinking that the people who were in their 20s and 30s had it all figured out? Well, here we are, you and I, in our 20s and 30s, and realizing that we are a whole mess and we need adults to hold our hands in this journey of life. Oh, sorry. Well, in this series, you are going to be the ones to hold my hands because we are in this together. I took on a really difficult traditional job last year that is totally out of my comfort zone.
I've been working for almost 25 years now.
Wow. Wow, you've been going to work Monday to Friday for 25 years, and I just started, but I have barely had time to breathe or even leave or do the other things that I'm extremely passionate about. But I was getting things done today, this Saturday.
1, 2, 3, put your eyes on me. 5, 5, 6, and my feelings are mixed. 7, 8, 9, I just follow the signs. 10, kiss me in the rain. 1, 2, 3, you're so much to see. 5,
My to-do list for this weekend, today being Saturday, is to get things done, get this work done, this work and all other work related stuff that I'm supposed to do. But right now I'm exhausted. I barely have 2 pages. I'm hungry. I haven't had lunch and it's almost 4, so let's get some things to eat. All right? Yeah, I'm not cooking. I'm tired. I have no time, so I'm heating something. Okay? And I'm also supposed to bring down the Christmas tree. Isn't that insane? It's March and it's long overdue basically. So you with me, let's go. I have to wear something that I'm less naked. Yeah, I think this is way better. Obviously for this venture we are going to need wine, plastic bag, scissors, solution tape, and a mindset to dismantle this Christmas tree. Cheers. This is so sweet. Gosh. Drink wine. As you can see, I've already started. I've picked up the decorations and the topmost part of the tree. So we are going to put these things in plastic bags to preserve them. It doesn't fit. No, I didn't keep them in these plastic bags. It's the trees I kept in the plastic bags. Yeah. My food is ready. And you're invited. So honestly, in this Ghana, we are basically living to work for food, transportation, and somewhere to sleep. Because things are so expensive in Accra to the extent that saving is rendered almost impossible. You save today, and the next thing you know, your savings are saving you, and then you no longer have savings.
God bless our homeland, Ghana, and make our nation great and strong.
Let's go and wash the dishes and at least do one of these tasks before the day ends or before my mother arrives from town. So that's me rearranging the previously washed ones. The chores are never ending. Phew, I'm so tired. I don't think I can get back to work. So instead,
Ghana boy say he want marry me. I hope say sabi kuku wache. Hope your love goes sweet past the shit oh. Baby boy they say he think my body is a killer oh. I hope say sabi kuku wache. Hope his love goes sweet past the shit oh. Oh yeah man, forget your bia. Miss it forget your bia. Oh yeah man, what be the matter? Miss it what be the matter? Oh yeah man, forget your bia.
this idea just dropped in my head.
Weekends are my off days, but ask my private life. Weekends are my busiest days so far, irrespective of whatever I do. Taking care of the house aside, that I have so many engagements, you have so many responsibilities that you have to, take care about. So most weekends,
even though I'm extremely tired on weekends and all I want to do is rest, I still do so much, and I have to find a way to still put you inside my life and I in your lives, So I decided to start sharing the weekends in the life of an extremely busy 26-year-old employed graduate, still living in her parents' house, still figuring it all out and still trying to make it all count. Tomorrow Sunday, I'm supposed to basically take care of myself, dress up, look good, go out, eat something, take nice pictures, because it's been a long time and it's something I've been wanting to do for a while. So good morning everyone. Today's Sunday. I think it's the 5th March. It's 5th of March, and today, if my plans are going to go as planned, I'm going to do my chores. I already swept outside, emptied the trash. I'm coming to sweep and mop the living room.
Oh, I demand over you, boy. I demand over you, boy. Say I'm your woman, eh? Your superwoman. I demand over you, boy. You demand over me, oh. Let me know, let me know, let me know if I'm more than just a friend to you, more than just a friend to you. Make a note, make a note, make a note. Cause you know say I to try for you. No say I to ride for you. So why you gonna do it like that? Why you gonna keep that thing from me? Baby, don't do it like that. Why you gonna act like you don't know? Why you gonna keep that thing from me? Baby, don't do it like that. Baby, don't.
And then it's breakfast. And try and finish the typing before I decide if I should go out or not. You see.
Oh God, time, you made me feel sweet. And if I'm losing my mind, would you lose yours with me?
Yo, like, I don't think I'll be able to go out because it's already 12:15, and hopefully I'm able to finish this and wash and see if I'll go to my auntie's place to eat fufu. She said I should come and eat fufu, so before I wanted to go and eat in town, I'll just eat it at my auntie's place because that equals going out, right? It's actually a Sunday ritual that we have in my family. We almost always gather at my auntie's house and eat fufu on Sundays, so you're going to be with me, right?
So weekends that I don't have any engagement or whatever, I take those weekends as my personal something.
But
and
mommy,
I use
you
it.
never stay at home. I've always been saying this.
For instance, this weekend, for instance, I've been in the house throughout.
No, we went to Aunt Evelyn's place. I would say that's our bonding time. That's the time that we used to take care of ourselves, right? And we just relax.
Yes.
You realize I didn't mention church. It's been a while since I went to church. And on Monday, which is 6th March, happy birthday Ghana in advance. I'm supposed to do self-care related stuff. I'm supposed to stay home all day, do my laundry, clean my room, watch some movies, lie low and mentally prepare for the weekend. I mean for the weekday ahead of me. Good morning guys. I'm in a hurry. Anyway, I decided not to do my laundry this week because it's not much and I have a lot of things to wear next week for work and for gym, so I'm not doing my laundry this week. I'm too tired, but I still have to clean my room. And this morning we decided to make some salad, and we don't have baked beans in this neighborhood. We are not going to get some, so we are going to a mat or something to get not baked beans, green peas. So see you in a bit. Yes. Didn't get what we wanted. Hello, good morning. A lot has happened basically, but today is Ghana's birthday. Happy Independence Day, Ghana, and all Ghanaians. Happy to say. Hopefully, in more years we have better things to celebrate in our country. But right now, the way the economy is going, so right now we're going to get green peas. We are looking for green peas so that we can do some salad. And then I headache and a power, you know. So we are going to try a mall. Mom, this is the mall. Huge as mat, a lot of things, but no green peas. So I'm going out empty-handed to my mother. Mother! No green peas. What's this? I'm new 5 cities. Hey, madam. Manin to Subako.
Ever say?
Ever 50.
Sweetie. No dance.
It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair, but those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you?
So I want to ask you, do you look forward to the weekends?
Oh yes, I do. Because it seems a bit relaxing.
Yes.
You know, during the weekdays, it's rushing hours to the office to and fro. It's tiring, even thinking about traffic. Yeah, I do look forward for weekends.
To the weekends.
Because the weekend activities is like there's no timing to it.
Yes.
At your own time, you do whatever you want.
Hello. So I'm feeling really deranged, depressed, disturbed. Maybe because I've not been able to accomplish all the tasks I really wanted to accomplish. But adulthood is really not easy. So many things have been coming up and I've been staying on social media, but I want to claim my space, and maybe that'll help me clear my head and see the tasks that were left for me to complete and how I can complete them. But let's clean my room. These are the stuff I was supposed to wash. Maybe one of the things that's making me sad is the fact that I wanted to record the breakfast I was making, and apparently it wasn't recording, so I had to get laptop. Jeez. And then these are things I washed. I'm arranging them into the wardrobe. My goodness, I'm supposed to hide this. Seriously, having a clean room is so fucking therapeutic. Clean your room if you feel depressed. Clean it. My mom is going to be talking in the background. She's on a call, but jeez, the weekend is ending on a high note. I'm so excited. I was so down. Yeah, I was so down throughout the day. But right now I'm ending it on a very high note. I'm happy. I'm ready to get to work tomorrow. I'm ready to go to the gym. I'm ready to sleep. Well, my friend doesn't agree. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
So you're welcome to my YouTube channel. I think this is the first time you're joining my channel, right?
Yes.
And so what would you advise me and other people my age who are now starting work and now getting into a schedule and routine? Because trust me, we are suffering.
It's not easy. I won't tell you it's going to be easy. It's not easy, but it depends on you, the individual, how you are going to, adjust your time. You do your things according to time. It will lessen a burden. But if you don't do things according to time, then all the time you'll be stressed out.
It's true.
Sleep early, you wake up on time. The little time you have at your own time, whatever you have to do, you just do it and you take your hands off it.
Wow. Wow, thank you, mommy. So the key word is self-control, time management, and also taking care of yourself. Mommy, thanks so much for coming on my channel. And I had a great weekend with you. I want this series to be a reminder for you and I to take intentional breaks from our hustle, to check up on ourselves, take care of ourselves, and do all the other things that extremely matter to us other than the moolah. So if you're still here, kindly subscribe to this channel because it's a good indication that I'm doing something important, something that you love. Like this video and leave a comment. I want to know how it makes you feel. If there's anything you want to see or you want to know on this channel, and also share this video. We do not gatekeep out here. If you see something you love, share it. If you go somewhere and your sister wants to know, share it. Add some vouchers too.